Hey guys, this is Neha Bolgam here at Social Classes and welcome you all back to the series on the important reports and indices for UPSC 2020, and thank you for tuning in. Today, being right on with our schedule, we are going to focus upon the organization World Bank and its respective published report, that is the Ease of Doing Business Report 2020. Let's take off by understanding what is this Ease of Doing Business Report. Now, it includes 5 major parameters of study in its making, such as starting a business, getting a location, accessing finance, dealing with day-to-day operations, and operating in a secure business environment. And this year's study covers 12 indicator sets and 190 economies. These indicator sets, as given in the diagram, are labor market regulations, dealing with construction permits, getting electricity, registering property, credit card, and so on. So I suggest you all to take a detailed look at the picture provided here. Now, doing business also measures regulation on employing workers and contracting with the government, which are not included in the Ease of Doing Business score and ranking. Let's now take a closer look at India's advancement, as it is important and also can appear as a potential mains question. The profile analysis of our advantages and challenges include the advantages being sustained business reforms, such as the 4 key parameters where we made tremendous development introducing the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code, the easing trade barriers and taxes, etc., obtaining an efficient building permit, creation of one online platform for easing business processes and transactions like document submissions, imports and exports, etc. While the challenges include India still lags in areas such as enforcing contracts, registering property, and it takes longer, greater cost, and almost 3 times the average time taken to resolve a commercial dispute through a local first instance court than in high-income economies. And finally, we also have a lag in the key infrastructure facility provision, such as providing electricity and etc. Now, this report assesses improvement in ease of doing business environment in India from Delhi, Mumbai, and recently also added Kolkata and Bangalore as well. I would now suggest the viewers to pause the video here for 5 seconds and take in the data chart about understanding India's milestones and aspirations in the Ease of Doing Business report over the years. Now, the way forward here is the government's goal was to join the top 50 economies on the Ease of Doing Business ranking by 2020. Though it yet isn't realized, the government needs to announce and start implementing next set of ambitious reforms now, as these reforms take a few years to be realized on the ground. Before wrapping up, let us try answering a couple of practice questions based on our understanding on the Ease of Doing Business report thus far. The first question reads as, the parameters that were considered namely but not included in the score and ranking of the Ease of Doing Business 2020 are, and the options provided are getting credit, contracting with the government, employing workers, labor market regulations. And the second question being, what are the 2 cities which were newly added or assessed for understanding India's EODB report? And the options provided are Delhi and Mumbai, Kolkata and Delhi, Bangalore and Chennai, Kolkata and Bangalore. Now, please take your sweet time in deciding. Next week, I will be back with their answers and also our next organization in focus, that is United Nations and its respective published reports. Until then, do not forget to like, share and subscribe this video, and also visit the website www.socialclasses.com for any further queries. Thank you.